Imagine stepping into a kitchen that's not just a place to cook, but the very heart of the home. A space where natural light dances across smooth countertops, where the aroma of fresh coffee mingles with the clean lines of modern cabinetry, and where every detail is crafted for both efficiency and beauty. This is the essence of a modern kitchen, a room that blends function, aesthetics, and comfort, reflecting the lifestyle of the people who live there. Today, we'll explore a variety of modern kitchen styles, from the serene minimalism of clean white spaces to the rich elegance of luxury finishes, from high-tech functionality to nature-inspired tranquility. Each style tells its own story, and by the end, you might just find the one that feels like home. Minimalist modern kitchen. This is where the principle of less is more comes to life. Crisp lines, flat panel cabinets, and a neutral color palette create visual calm. Handleless storage keeps everything hidden away, built-in appliances sit flush with cabinetry, and countertops are free from clutter. Abundant natural light enhances the sense of space, while light oak floors bring a hint of warmth so the room never feels cold. It's the perfect kitchen for those who value both functionality and quiet elegance. Number 2. Luxury modern kitchen. Here, every detail speaks of refinement. A Calacatta marble island with dramatic veining becomes the centerpiece. Gold-accented pendant rights cast a warm glow, and polished concrete or rare hardwood flooring adds sophistication. High-end appliances, smart ovens, integrated wine coolers, and precision induction cooktops don't just serve a purpose, they make a statement. This is more than a cooking space. It's a showpiece that celebrates indulgence. Number 3. Scandinavian modern kitchen. Simplicity meets warmth. White cabinetry paired with natural wood creates a sense of balance and ease. Open shelving, adorned with a few potted plants, softens the space, while plenty of daylight streaming in from large windows keeps everything bright and airy. This is a kitchen that invites you to slow down, cook mindfully, and enjoy the moment. Number 4. Industrial modern kitchen. For those who love the raw urban vibe, this style brings the spirit of a city loft into the home. Exposed brick, black steel framing, concrete counters, and visible piping create an edgy backdrop. Reclaimed wood stools or shelving add warmth, while large factory-style pendant lights complete the aesthetic. It's gritty yet organized, a perfect blend of industrial strength and modern order. Number 5. High-tech modern kitchen. The future starts here. Picture a fridge with a touchscreen, an induction cooktop you control from your phone, LED lighting that changes color on command, and a faucet that measures the exact amount of water you need. Glossy finishes and seamless cabinetry create a sleek, futuristic look. This is the kitchen for people who love innovation and convenience in equal measure. Number 6. Open concept modern kitchen. No more walls dividing the kitchen from the dining room or living room. Instead, the space flows together, allowing conversation to move freely between cooking and relaxing. A central island becomes the heart of activity, serving as a prep station, dining bar, and social hub all at once. Number 7. Monochrome modern kitchen. A single color can be incredibly striking when used with intention. Whether it's pure white for a crisp, clean look or matte black for drama, monochrome kitchens rely on texture, light, and shadow to add depth. The result is a space that's both simple and bold. Number 8. Two-tone modern kitchen. Contrast creates character. Upper cabinets in white and lower cabinets in navy or charcoal instantly add visual interest without overwhelming the eye. This style balances freshness with personality, making it approachable yet distinct. Number 9. Japandi modern kitchen. A marriage of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. Natural woods, soft, neutral tones, and smooth stone surfaces set a calm, harmonious mood. Open shelving with carefully curated ceramics reflects the philosophy of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in simplicity and imperfection. It's a kitchen designed as much for peace of mind as for cooking. Number 10. Eco-friendly modern kitchen. Sustainability takes center stage here. Bamboo cabinetry, recycled glass countertops, energy-efficient appliances, and skylights that reduce the need for artificial lighting all contribute to a lighter environmental footprint. It's a beautiful reminder that modern design can also be responsible design. Number 11. bold color modern kitchen for those unafraid to stand out. Emerald green, deep teal, or even bright coral can transform a kitchen into a vibrant and energetic space. Paired with sleek lines and balanced lighting, the boldness feels intentional and modern rather than overwhelming. Number 12. Compact modern kitchen. Small spaces, big ideas. Tall cabinets that reach the ceiling, slim peninsulas, and mirrored backsplashes make the most of limited square footage. Every inch is optimized for storage and efficiency, proving that a kitchen doesn't need to be large to be impressive. Number 13. Glass and steel modern kitchen. Glass brings lightness, steel adds strength. Smoked glass cabinets, brushed steel islands, and precise architectural lighting create a look that's sleek, durable, and high-end. Reflections play a big role here, making the kitchen feel larger and more open. Natural stone modern kitchen. Stone has a timeless quality that instantly elevates a space. A homed limestone island, textured stone backsplash, and matte neutral cabinetry create a tactile, organic feel. The natural variations in the stone ensure that no two kitchens are exactly alike. Number 15. Transitional modern kitchen. Bridging the gap between classic and contemporary. You might see traditional shaker-style doors paired with modern slab islands, or classic pendants over a sleek quartz countertop. It's a style for those who want modern function without losing a touch of timeless charm. Modern kitchen styles are as diverse as the people who use them. Some lean toward minimalism, others toward luxury. Some embrace the raw, urban edge of industrial design, while others focus on the calm principles of sustainability. Yet they all share one common thread, a commitment to blending beauty and practicality. Today, the kitchen is no longer just a workspace. It has become a living space, a place for connection, creativity, and comfort. It's where meals are prepared, stories are shared, and memories are made. So find the style that speaks to you, shape it into a space that feels truly yours, and let your kitchen become the beating heart of your home. If you enjoyed this journey through design and inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next chapter in creating the home of your dreams.